So it's Octavian here. We're here with Terry Smith, aka Barry. We got this video is sponsored by Dr. Pepper. Ooh.
Dr. Prickin' bitch. Oh man. Okay, calm down. There's people walking in front of the truck. I don't need any one of these episodes. What the hell's wrong with you? Don't fucking worry about it. Look up psychosis and you'll find out. I'm in a different reality. This ain't a goddamn Walmart store. Goddamn motherfuckers, you got fucking chatty some bitches. Why me, Lord? What have I ever done to deserve an old junky ass truck like these?
You paid $400 to someone who doesn't even know what the fuck a truck is.
Motherfucker, it's a piece of shit. That orange truck back there looks a hell of a lot better. Sounds better too. And this is purring like a fucking kitten. On this motherfucker here with the shake, rattle, and not roast half the time. This motherfucker. God damn it. I need a good truck. Need a good truck and a good fuck too. Them two go hand in hand. Well, fuck, I'm gonna get one or the other. I don't know which one it's gonna be. It's probably gonna be, I don't know. It's hard to say. I hope it's a fuck. I ain't goddamn known fuck it. I need the truck, fucking ass. Fucking ass. Ass gets you in trouble, cut you more money. $45,000. Oh my god. The truck. Oh my god. Gotta get my inhaler. My fucking breathing situation's getting kind of bad over here. Fucking cold air and smoking. God, that feel like an orgasm. I want to do it again. Come on now, that wasn't as good as the first one.